Welcome, today we're gonna do a medium layer haircut. We're gonna start the haircut, we're gonna divide the hair in 2 sections. This way we can cut easier the excess of hair. We're gonna use the cutting scissors, we're gonna make a cut in the neck area to start making the guideline on the edges. We're gonna make the guideline on the right side and the left side close to the ear area. In this area, we're gonna start making the cut in a diagonal position using the reference the middle of the ear. After making a straight guideline on the neck area and in a diagonal position on the ear area, we're gonna continue with the second section. Apply water on the second section and we're gonna use as a reference the first guideline we did on the neck. The reason we divide the hair in 2 sections is because when the hair is abundant, it's easier to cut this way. Also, you can appreciate better if the hair is well balanced. We're gonna make a guideline in the front area and we're gonna connect it with the guideline we did on the ear area. We are gonna make a guideline in the middle using this part of the comb. We're gonna make the guideline from the front to the back. We are gonna make the guideline about 1 inch thick and we're gonna cut in a 90-degree angle in a horizontal position on the top. Use the comb against the clock to grab the hair on the bottom. Cut in a vertical position. We're gonna use as a reference the guideline we did on top and we're gonna make sections about 1 inch thick and we're gonna cut from top to bottom. We are gonna connect the guideline we did on top and we're gonna cut from top to bottom. We are making cuts as the same shape of an arch parallel to the shape of the head. Continue with the same procedure on the right side. Look for the guideline we did on the middle and continue cutting from top to bottom. Continue advancing towards the front. Now that we eliminate the excess of hair, we decide to make the neckline higher. We are gonna verify the haircut. We can verify the cut against the way we cut. We make the haircut making cut from top to bottom. We can verify the haircut making cut from the front to the back, only if we need it. Also, you can adjust the haircut depending on how the client likes it. In this case, we decide to take more off the side. The reason we decide to take more off the sides is because in this case, the hair on the sides is wavier. In this area, we're gonna make a section and we're gonna comb the hair up and we're gonna cut this area using 2 fingers touching the scalp. Cut in a vertical position. In this area, we're gonna comb the hair to the left and we're gonna cut the excess of hair going up. We can make this area shorter. We can trap the hair with the finger to make it easier grabbing it with the comb. This area is wavier. We can cut with scissors over comb in a 45 angle degree going up. We're gonna start making the edges. We're gonna use the scissor and we're gonna cut as natural as possible. Comb the hair to the left and use it as a guideline, the guideline we did on the ear area. We are gonna verify the cut on the right side. We are gonna make a section and we're gonna comb the hair up and we're gonna cut this area using 2 fingers touching the scalp. Grab the hair with the fingers to make it easier grabbing it with the comb. Use this part of the comb and comb the hair to the right and cut the excess of hair going up. Continue cutting the excess of hair, cut scissor over comb in a 45 angle degree going up. Now we're gonna make the edge, cut this area as natural as possible. Comb the hair to the right and connect the guideline we did on the ear area. We are gonna texturize the hair. We're gonna use the texturizing scissors. We only gonna texturize the sides. We're gonna make 2 cuts going up from the front to the back. We're gonna make the edge on the neck area. You can leave this part as is, or also you can cut it. In this case, we decide to cut and clean this area. Protect the longer hair with the comb, comb the hair up, and the rest of the hair cut it with the trimmer. We're gonna refine the sideburn area to make it even with the beard. We're gonna use number 3. We can use the technique trapping the hair against the clipper to make the blend easier. We're gonna use number 2 a bit lower than we use number 3, and only we're gonna use it on the edge. We're gonna use this part of the comb to extract the hair hidden on the edges. To cut this area with precision, we're gonna use the trimmer. We are only using the border of the blade. We're gonna texturize the right side. We're gonna use the texturizing scissors and we're gonna make 2 cuts going up from the front all the way to the back. We also texturize the edges. We cut in a horizontal position. Continue making the edges on the neck area. We're gonna use the same procedure as the left side. Continue with the trimmer, protect the longer hair, combing the hair up and cut the rest of the hair with the trimmer. Keep this area as natural as possible. We refine the sideburn to make it even with the beard. We use number 3. We can use the technique trapping the hair against the clipper to make the blend easier. We're gonna use number 2 a bit lower than we use number 3, only in the edge of the sideburn. Make the edge on the sideburn area and use the front part of the comb to extract the hair hidden on the edges. We're gonna continue with the blow dry and style of the hair. We're gonna use a hairbrush with open tooth. We are using this hairbrush to keep the volume we have and not make the hairstyle look flat. You can blow dry the hair on the sides up. Blow dry the hair on the top to the back. Also, you can use your fingers to give it a natural effect. You can create volume combing the hair on the front up. In this case, we use a pomade with a medium hold and shine. This is the final result. This was a medium layer haircut. I hope you like my video. If you like it, share it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. These are some of my previous videos. I invite you to watch them, and if you like them, hit the like button and subscribe.